Yo, YouTube, what's good? Jay Solo, living and lifting in Japan. Do you want to know how to build lean muscle at home with limited time, space, and equipment? Well, if so, keep watching. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so we're going to start this off with an upper chest movement, and I would suggest this to anyone who has a lacking upper chest or an upper chest that they want to focus on more than the mid chest or lower chest. Next up, we have the flat dumbbell press, and this is going to make up the mass of your mid chest and your overall chest. This is a great exercise, especially if you work out at home. Okay, so here is an option for the flat dumbbell press. If you don't have a bench, you can do it from the floor. And if you notice how I use two hands to put one dumbbell on my knee, and then I kind of shimmy the other dumbbell, I lean it onto the other knee, and I use the knees to get the dumbbells up and into position. So in the beginning, use lightweight, and then as you master the technique, you can increase the weight. Next up, we have the dumbbell decline press, and this is going to put a lot of mass on your lower chest as well as hitting your upper chest. So this is a great exercise for complete mass of the chest. Okay, so here you'll see me doing a bridge version of the floor press. This is just to hit the lower chest. You can use this exercise if you don't have a bench. And the way that I set it up is the same exact way as I would set up for a flat floor press. Okay, so here you'll see me doing I believe it's called a champagne press. It's probably called something different, but that's how I know it. And this is going to target your inner chest. Some people use two dumbbells, but I think one dumbbell is better because you feel a stronger contraction in your inner chest. Flies are a great exercise to target the outer chest as well as the inner chest. And if you notice, I'm not breaking parallel with my elbows because I don't want to put too much strain on my rotary cuffs and my shoulders. And I'm not letting the dumbbells touch so that I don't lose tension on my chest. This is a great exercise to target your upper chest. One more, you should do 2 in any routine for your upper chest if it's lacking. If you would like to see more videos on different body parts or just vlogging, because I am in Japan, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time, Jay Solo, out.